Welcome to Gimbal, the town of the rising sun and sun. The town of Gimbal got its name. The most accepted one is that it came from the name of instrument agong. Agong is used by the early people to beat in order to give warning to the natives of an attack of Moros who used to settle down in the town of Gimbal. The town of Gimbal has a rich history that dates back to the Spanish colonial period. Gimbal was established as a town in 1590. The town was originally named Ermita and was under jurisdiction of Oton, and was later renamed Gimbal in honor of Saint Nicholas of Tolentino, the patron saint of the town. Gimbal became independent as municipality in 1703. Gimbal is a municipality located in the province of Iloilo in the Philippines. It is along the coastal part of Panay Island with a 9-kilometer shoreline facing the blue waters of Panay Gulf. Farming and fishing are among the main source of livelihood of its people. Welcome to the Bantayan Festival. This is the most significant cultural celebration in Gimbal. During the Bantayan Festival, we have 7 tribes to present their interpretation in Bantayan Festival in every month of April. The festival is a celebration of faith, culture, and community spirit that has been passed down to the generation in fellow Gimbalanons. Moro Watchtower. Originally, there was 4 structures located in different sites along the shoreline area in the Poblacion in Gimbal. Only 3 are still intact and renovated to its original condition through the Department of Tourism. These are the 17th century structure used to look out for the riding Moro pirates. Like the church, it was also constructed through forced labor. Gimbal Steel Bridge, constructed during the American period. The construction was ordered by U.S. President Roosevelt. It is approximately 0.50 km long and made of Pittsburgh steel, which were imported from Virginia, USA. Now, our late former Mayor Oka Garin built another 2 cement bridge beside it to preserve the structure of the steel bridge. One of the oldest churches in the country. This yellow sandstone church is made from adobe stone called Igan and coral stone squad from Guimaras. It was built in 1774 by Father Campus. Gimbal Vanishing Mansion. It is located in front of Gimbal National High School. The mysterious vanishing mansion of Gimbal. Sometimes you see a tree, sometimes you see a mansion. One popular urban legend comes from a taxi driver who one night picked up a lady dressed in white from Iloilo City. Upon reaching this spot where a towering acacia tree now standing, the white lady passenger directs the taxi driver to pass the gate that leads to the mansion. After dropping a passenger off, the driver leaves, looks back in the rear view mirror and see the mansion is gone. And this is featured in KMGS.